ní ṣoríire kò ní yẹ yín nínú ìlú tiwa ẹ máa kó alẹ́ rú. ẹ̀rìn kú ni wọ́n rìn kú ni wàhálà wọ́n rìn kú ẹ̀rìn kú ni ẹ̀yin olórí ibú nínú ìlú tiwa ní kó alẹ́ rú ẹ̀ ní jèrè ọlọ́wọ́n bá ti yín jẹ́ ni ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin olórí ibú yìí ẹ ní sórí ẹ rí bá ṣe rí àfi bí ẹrú ẹ ní jèrè ẹ̀yin olórí ibú yìí ẹ̀yin olórí ibú gbogbo yìí kò ní í jẹ yín ẹ ṣòfò ní àbẹ̀ rí yín lùlù wa mọ́ ẹ rà rè ní. olórí òrí bí ṣe ń wọrin olórí ibú kò ní í jẹ yín ẹ ní sóríire inú gbọ́ lẹ́yìn inú gbọ́ ládẹ́tẹ̀ gbé ẹ ní sóríire ẹ̀yin olórí ibú yìí ẹranko níyìn inú gbọ́ lẹ́yìn máa gbé inú gbọ́ lẹ́yìn máa gbé ẹ̀yin olórí ibú yìí.
BBC only BBC YTA. What have you?
Ku daina gaya mana irin wannan magana da Allah.
Kame saboda ku aka zo fa saboda manya ko ina a san abin da ke faruwa sai a rutu.
Kunnan wani abu ne dan saboda ku kai. Saboda labaran da ake faɗa
daban ne abin da ake faɗa. Abin da ake faɗa su ma su faɗa da
ba ni ko ke cikin su.
You want talk?
Bai tashi faɗi an ce bari guda ne ba. To ka gani amma an kace mana mutane sama guda.
amma su ake ba fili ba. Tunda wayannan suka
You want to talk?
a nitse sai ai bayani yanzu mun je wajen mata su yi mana bayani.
We did live from Akinyele, Ibadan.
English
This time where some Hausa people we run come up from Shasha Market. They take their refuge. We don't go around the town. We don't go around the other places. We don't go the house of the woman of the man will losing life for. On Thursday, we're going to bring you update as the thing they be. We just say make we check how things be for where the Hausa people runs come or go. We don't go where them women and children they and they don't talk their mind. If you just join us, this na BBC Pidgin and this na Akinyele. This na one settlement we be say now here the Hausa people run come. After the clash wey happen for Shasha Market on Thursday, if you see them, many of them don't they pack their load, come go their states. As they pass road come here, we see a lot of buses on the road with people going back to their destination. And like I tell you, yesterday we've been bringing you family members of the Yoruba man will die on Thursday. So we talk say Moku follow talk with the Hausa community as well. You get anyone where we speak Pidgin? Pidgin English? Anyone? You feel speak am? Okay. What will be your name? Speak up. What will be your name?
My name is Suraj Zakaria.
If you tell us where this be, what you they do here?
I'm come to here because of some we leave our area because of something was happening, like burning, kill people, and something like that.
Okay, how long you don't stay here? How many days you don't stay here?
2 days.
2 days. So we see for road say many people they go back to where they come from. Ariwa, you said they go back?
Yes. I go back one and find motor or something like. But now we don't have.
Because if you go say you can no, you don't have money to.
Sure, you go talk.
We don't have provision to go our land.
How long you don't stay for Shasha?
2 years.
2 years. What be the business? What they do?
Can I just show my leg? I don't want you to.
You want to? Okay, come.
I don't want you to show my.
Wannan ba harka kita ba.
You can find your back. Okay, I got another person here. We talk say he want talk, but you know what, making face show. Oh yeah, Oga, wait like that. Oga. No. You gotta come here.
No, your Raman, just forget about
No. It no matter. It no matter.
Just follow him.
Okay, Oga. You guys stay here. I know if you follow you go where they go. Good afternoon. You say you know what make your face show? Okay, now your leg. Oh yeah. I know they show your leg. Your face no show. You dey see him?
Excuse me.
What you want talk? Now your leg they show.
I don't know anything about it, okay?
Okay.
I stay here in Akele,
Okay.
alright?
Okay.
We are Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo. You are one here.
Okay.
So nobody cause fight here.
Okay.
Anything that cause fight here, then
Now for Shasha.
now for Shasha.
Okay.
Yeah, Yoruba, Hausa, we are one. Anything that we should cause fight here, we should put him out. We can even damage him, okay?
So say anybody will want cause fight between Hausa community and Yoruba community, you they always fight them.
Yeah, for Akele here, but you are not in Shasha.
Okay. Okay.
Anybody that wants to cause fight, yeah, we are ready to fight him back. Because we are all in one nation. We are one. So we need nation. We need freedom. So we are not here to fight anyone. We are in freedom. Everybody here, we are all the same. Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Fulani, Togo, and other language, we are one.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
So any fight that it was from China, they come here.
Yeah.
It's not here.
Yes. No clash for Akinyele. No wahala for Akinyele. Now for Shasha. But in get.
Just carry them.
Okay. You just speak pidgin before. If you continue. Are you Hausa Yoruba? Okay. For Akinyele.
Everybody come here, we need that. We want more. We will know this wahala
Thank you.
Everybody where you come, you see yourself for here. No more they want love. We will not wahala anything.
So how you feel when these people when they come from Shasha? How you feel for your body?
But no, so me I feel normal now for my body now as in visiting when we carry them. But where them come?
Yeah.
We will know they there. We don't know what happen there. Abi, we understand where you talk. This one there's no good. The jama'a annabi ne gaba ɗaya kowa da kowa. Mu ba can muke ba abin da ya fara an tafi mu sani ba.
Okay, thank you. If you just join us, this is now Akinyele for Ibadan. This is now where some Hausa people run come out go where after the clash for Shasha market. We don't see some of them. We say they don't go back to where they come from, and some don't tell us. Say now here them born them, they don't feel come out go anywhere. We don't see women, children for waiting they make us makeshift ID camp. I'm going to bring you updates as we talk so we won't go find at the ballet of Shasha making tell us waiting the sub for the area. We don't enter Shasha this morning as we come here and everything is still day calm. Police day grand. We see a lot of police officers, security agents, then day grand for Shasha market as we speak. We also don't follow go the house of the man we're losing life for on Thursday. We don't meet in wife. In wife tell us say if our husband day life, if for no one make this thing happen, if for they against this whole crisis will they happen after in death. So just they follow us. They follow us for BBC Pidgin. We're going to bring you live update from where we are as we get chance to do so. Thank you. You can see this is Akinyele again. See many Hausa guys here. They are all here in their numbers. We don't go to where the female day. We don't go to where we have children, and we don't go to where we have elderly people. Where we say na Yoruba then they speak, and then be Hausa people. Thank you again. We will come back when we get back to Shasha and feed you with waiting the soap for that side.